Hello everyone, let's take a look how to connect LED connectors for IP65 LED strips. Components: glue, two types of connectors, with and without hole, 50 cm wire, thin wire and a soldering iron. That's what we have. So this is IP65 LED strips. Let's make it in IP65. First of all, let's cut the extrusion tips. Cut in the soldering points. You'll see how it's going. Once we cut it, it's easy to connect the wire. Let's take the iron and also the wiring. Take a look. This red is positive, black is negative. We need to connect the wire to the soldering joints with very nice soldering points is necessary. Once it's done, let's put connector through the wire. Choose the connector with hole. For better waterproof grade, this need to be put in the end, in the other side. No need wiring. This well looks much more better. Let's use the silicone glue. And we need to cut it. Okay, so we need to put the glue inside of the connectors. You need to put enough one because this is IP65 LED strips, so the glue will be fully sealed inside of the connector. Okay, now let's seal the connector inside. Once all the glue filled up, the connectors are sealed. So we need to clean up the abundant glue, just like this. We need to clean up. The connector is good to go now. Okay, we'll put it aside for like 10 minutes. Then let's move on the other side. Same way as what we did before for the connectors with hole. With enough glue, let's clean up the LED strip light. Gently. Okay, that's all for how to connect the LED strip light.